Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Silvercrest gaming headset with an easy to use volume control and mute button on the cable. 2.4 meters cable for freedom of movement, USB 2, weight total is 350 grams, 3.5 millimeter audio jack and 50 centimeter U adapter included. 3 years warranty, you can see how it looks. And we've got a window just to check the product before buying it. Continue 7 color RGB lighting, red, green, blue, yellow, orange, violet and white. And I'm sure it will look great and enjoy gaming at your desktop. Well, let's open and see what we have inside, find out more about this product, connect it and see the audio quality. And of course I need to check and the microphone, how it's performing and the quality. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it is your choice, but step we're gonna find out all about this product. Okay. Oh, perfect. Ooh, I like it. I like the white color. You can buy it and on a black color. We've got a soft faux leather around. Definitely it will be very comfortable to your ears. I will wear it and see. Adjustable microphone. Put it at any position you want. Nice. Soft cushion and here. Adjustable, I can say about 20 degrees here. And adjustable more, just pull this, we can see if we've got from 1 to 7 adjustments. Easy to adjust. Nice, says left and right. Illumination around here, 7 RGB colors. 2.4 meters cable for freedom of movement. It is braided. The audio jack with the USB connection. The USB, obviously, it is for the lighting. And here we've got the switch, on-off switch for the microphone, volume decreasing, increasing, and on-off switch for the light effects. That was all about for the controller. I liked it. Is soft. Feels very nice to my finger. Nice. And of course we've got the U cable. That means you can connect the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and you can connect the microphone at your desktop and the headphones at your desktop. And we can see the connections, green color and light pink. Nice. Or you can connect it directly to any other device. You can even connect it to your smartphone, tablet, if your smartphone has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You know how it goes in these days. No more 3.5 millimeter at the smartphones. Or you can connect it on a PS5, Xbox One, Mac, any device with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Great. A long cable, definitely, that will not be a problem. Easy to move. Well, nice, I like it. Inside, left and right, we've got the 40 millimeter audio drive. Can we remove that? Well, maybe. Nice. Overall, I can say it is a great design. It looks great. Now let's connect the USB just to see the light effects. You just need the 5 volt output from any USB, if that is from your laptop, desktop or any other console. From here we can switch it on. Oh, nice. And you can check the light effect. They are changing randomly. both sides. Perfect. And you can switch it off from here. Now let's plug it in, see how it fits to my head, and listen some music. Whoa! Very comfortable, I can say. Nice, are fitting perfect. Adjusting the microphone, the position you want, illumination around. Nice. Now let's hear music. Ooh, nice bass. Nice bass, very clear bass. It is in maximum, decreasing, increasing. Wow, amazing. And let's check in the microphone. And now you can hear my voice through the microphone of this gaming headset, and I think I'm sounding very well. Definitely you will enjoy online gaming at any console, PC, laptop, anywhere. Or you can chat with your friends, video call, and more. I'm sounding very well and I can hear the other person very well. Voice is crystal clear. What else you want from a gaming headset? Good microphone and good sound quality. Well guys, that was all about this gaming headset. I'm sure you will enjoy a great quality of sound, playing online games, if that is in your laptop, desktop, any console. Listen music from your tablet or smartphone, definitely you will enjoy that. Microphone has a great quality. I like the design, the color. The illumination is beautiful around. Definitely it looks great at the night. Well, if you need to buy it, you know where you can find it. It costs about 35 euros. I think the cost is good. I know at the market you may find other brands. There are so many gaming headsets at the market. Well, you can compare it and see which gaming headset is the best for you and fits perfect to your head. For me, it's fitting perfect to my ears, to my head. Feels very comfortable when I'm wearing it for a long time. I have used it, I have tried, and to say my honest opinion, I think it's worth the money, just buy it. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.